Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. To open applications in split screen view on this tablet, we're gonna have to open two different apps first. Then we're gonna need to go to the recents view and tap the application icon at the top. Then we're gonna have to select split screen, select the second application, and now we'll be able to use both applications at the same time on different parts of our device's screen, managing their size by changing the position of the bar in between those apps. To leave the split screen mode, just tap the home button and return back to the home screen. And that's how you manage the split screen on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.